Hey, so I get so many questions, first of all, in my inbox about me, about my business, about how the process works, all of that, right? So I figured I would pin a video so that we could get this all out the way, all right? So if you're new here, hi, I'm Cherrelle. I'm a life insurance broker and I'm in Houston, Texas. However, just because I'm in Texas does not mean that I cannot assist you. I am licensed in all 50 states, so you can still reach out to me if you're in another state, okay? So what is my purpose? Like, what drives me to do this every day? I get that question as well. I guess because people feel like I deal with passings or unalivings all the time. I don't, okay? I do deal with having those conversations with people every single day, but it does not bother me because I have a passion for it. I have a purpose behind it. I myself lost a loved one, my dad, without life insurance. And I know for a fact that my dad would not have wanted me to go through everything that myself, my sister, and my little brother went through at that time. I know for a fact he wouldn't have. However, because life insurance was not in place, we did go through that. We didn't get to grieve. We still didn't get to grieve. So I encourage families to get life insurance, get an affordable amount in life insurance, and also to have uncomfortable conversations, because at the end of the day, when something does occur, that's probably one of the easiest things to do, is to recall what it is, the conversations that you had with that loved one. Okay, so I'm cool with having uncomfortable conversations. Let's do it all day long. But that's one of the reasons why, because I have a passion for it. I know what you're going to experience at that time, okay? And I don't want that for anybody else. So I make it my mission, basically, to have that conversation and to get families covered. I don't care how much your policy is, just as long as you have adequate coverage, okay? Now, hold on, because I'm going to mess this up, so hold on. I also get in my inbox, you're just doing this for the commission. Okay, so let's talk about that. I'm never going to tell you what my commission is, all right? But I will tell you, anybody that, maybe it's a life insurance broker or something like that on my page, please comment down below, because I kind of want to have this conversation, but I don't. If your policy is not over, your payment is not over $200, don't ask me about my commission, because we both going to laugh. We're both going to laugh, okay? There are plenty of people in the industry that do it for the money. I understand that 100%. However, myself, I do not. I don't do it for the money. I do it to make sure that my clients are covered. And I keep 99% of my clients for that reason. I get referrals all day long for that reason. Okay, so do not ask me about my commission. One, if you're not even my client. Two, if you're not paying over $200 a month for your policy. And that's just the end of that, okay? Next is probably going to be, why do you need all this information for a quote? Okay. One, life insurance is based on your age, your health, any prescription medications that you may have had. So I need to know that in order to give you an accurate quote. I also need to know your height and weight. I'm sorry that you may be sensitive about your weight. I'm not. I'm big, baby. Big and fluffy, okay? But I'm just saying that's the information that I'm gonna need. It's no way around that. Otherwise, I just can't do you a quote, and we're not going to even go there, okay? Secondly, the process. What's the process? Because I'm a broker, I don't work for the insurance companies. I work for you, okay? So my job is to find the best policy for you. So when you say, oh, well, can you send me information? I can't send you information, baby, because it's like going to a car lot, right? There are a million cars out there on the lot. But that car salesman knows that you can only afford such and such amount of cars. So I'm not going to show you a C-Class Benz or whatever when we on a Toyota Yaris budget. I'm not going to do that. Then it's also based on what comes back on these applications, okay? So I'm never going to tell you that I can get you such and such amount of money with one company and then something happens and it comes back that you don't qualify, okay? So We can talk about what it is that you want, what type of policy you're looking for, your budget, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, you just going to have to trust me on that. I'm sorry. We can get all the information afterwards, but that's the way that it works. Okay. I'm trying to think of anything else. Why do I make people cover their children? For one, we're going to start moving the goalposts for our babies. I've said that several times in a lot of my videos, but people don't understand the value of having your child fully covered while they are children, okay, and how beneficial it is once they become adults, okay? So I'm sorry, that's just me. There are plenty of people that don't care. I do care, okay? I'm trying to hurry up, you guys. I'm trying to think of any other questions that I may have. But you can always reach out to me if you have any questions. You can always leave your questions in the comments, please. You don't have to DM me all your questions. I like to actually respond to the comments. It lets me know that people are engaged and that I'm giving valuable information. So if you have a question, always put it in the comments, or you can DM me, you can text me, you can book an appointment with me, and I'll call you. I do not hound you for life insurance, baby. I'm not going to do that. If you reach out to me, I will respond, okay? I'm not going to hound you down. All right? All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.